Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Ummehani and today I am presenting my work on cadastral vector rectification. I performed this project-based task as a freelance GIS specialist. The primary objective was validation and rectification of the ground parcel boundaries for the Punjab Urban Land Systems Enhancement Project. This include ensuring the cadastral maps match ground reality visible through satellite imagery. Here we can see that there are layers named valid output, invalid output, error output. So let's begin my work. Before that, I'm going to show one thing, that is look at this. There are double 39 and the sub-parcel is for one is 0 divided by 1 and 0 divided by 2. What is that? I am explaining it. I am going to explain it. Let's begin. New. First I have to import the data. So I'm clicking on the layer, then add layer, then add vector layer. I'm going to browsing it. So I'm clicking on that and this is the shapefile. I have downloaded this raw vector data from the PULSC portal, that means Punjab Urban Land Systems Enhancement Portal. I am clicking on the open, adding it, then closing the window. Now I'm going to add Google Map. I have to drag it. Now you can see all is fine. So if I zoom in a location, we can see that due to the symbology we can't see the ground levels. That means this is not clear or not visible to us. So for that reason I am going to change the symbology. To do that, I am clicking on the right side of the mouse in the parcel layer, then going to the properties, then clicking on the symbology. I am choosing this one, then applying it, then OK. Look, now it is visible to us. To make the work easy, I am going to again properties to add the labels, then clicking on that, choosing the single labels, adding the value parcel number because it is suitable, then applying it, then OK. So now I am validating the datas. Now I'm clicking on the processing, then toolbox, then in the search bar writing check validity. Already input layer is parcel, so I'm clicking on the run. It's complete. Now closing the window, also closing it. See, maybe there is no error. To check it, I am going to open the attribute table for the error output layer. Now clicking on the right side of the mouse, here is the open attribute table. See, there is no data, that means there is no error present. So the validation is done. Now I am going to uncheck it, and also it, and also it. We can also check the validate output, invalid output through the attribute table as same as the error output. but now I am going to do the subdivision. So let's choose one parcel, for example 46. To do that, I am going to open the attribute table for the parcel layer. I am clicking on the right side of the mouse, then opening the attribute table, then 46. See, there is 1 time 46 parcel number, not doubled. Now for submitting it at though it is here 46 already present, but if it was not, then I had to search it through the selected feature function. I had to put here parcel number, for example 46, then zoom to the feature and closing it. Here is the 46. Now to do subtraction, I am going to deselect it because it is mandatory before subtraction. Okay, then for I have to turn on toggle edit, and here is the split feature. So I am clicking on that, then I am splitting it from here to here. Look, in the attribute table there are double time parcel number 46. Suppose it is the primary subparcel and it is the secondary subparcel. Now I am clicking on that. That means choosing the secondary subparcel. So in the subparcel, I have to write it as 0 divided by, as it secondary, 0 divided by 2. And if I choose it, then it will be 0 divided by 1. Then I have to save it. So I have to then control save, and by writing here the name, for example portfolio 1, save. I'm done, and thank you for watching my technical demonstration.